When it comes to upgrading your home in Ferndale, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked improvements is professional door installation. While DIY projects may seem tempting, hiring an experienced installer offers a range of tangible benefits, from improved security and energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal and long-term cost savings. Let's explore why investing in professional door installation is a smart move for Ferndale homeowners. Precision and proper fit. Ferndale homes vary in age and architectural style, which means door frames can often be irregular due to settling or prior modifications. A professional installer understands how to accurately measure and adjust for any imperfections. This ensures your new door fits snugly and operates smoothly. A proper fit not only enhances functionality but also prevents drafts, water leaks, and future warping, common issues with poorly fitted doors. Enhanced home security. Your front door is the first line of defense against intruders. A professionally installed door provides peace of mind with reinforced locking mechanisms, tightly aligned frames, and upgraded hardware options. Experts are trained to ensure all hinges, locks, and deadbolts are aligned perfectly, leaving no room for vulnerability. In a community like Ferndale, where both urban and suburban elements meet, securing your property is essential, and a sturdy, well-installed door is a vital part of that. Improved energy efficiency. The Michigan weather can be unpredictable, with hot summers and cold, snowy winters. A door that leaks air can cause your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, driving up energy costs. Professional installers use proper insulation techniques, weather stripping, and sealing to ensure your new door keeps your home comfortable year-round. Over time, this investment can significantly reduce your energy bills, making it a win for your wallet and the environment. Boosted curb appeal and property value. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply improve its appearance, a professionally installed door offers an instant facelift. Experts can help you choose a style and finish that complements your home's architecture and enhances its visual appeal. From elegant front entry doors to sleek modern patio sliders, the right door can elevate your entire property. Plus, a high-quality installation adds value to your home, an appealing feature for prospective buyers in Ferndale's competitive real estate market. Time and hassle saving. DIY door installation may seem like a cost-saving move at first glance, but it often comes with unexpected challenges: misaligned frames, damaged hardware, or lack of proper tools. Professionals have the experience and equipment to handle any obstacles quickly and efficiently. They'll complete the job in less time, with far fewer headaches, and often provide warranties for added protection. In short, you get peace of mind knowing the job was done right the first time. Compliance with building codes. Ferndale, like most cities, has specific codes and regulations for home renovations, including door replacements. A licensed door installation professional ensures your project meets all local building requirements and safety standards. This not only protects your home legally but can also prevent future fines or problems during resale inspections. Conclusion. Choosing professional door installation in Ferndale isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a smart, long-term investment in your home. With benefits like enhanced security, better energy performance, higher resale value, and expert craftsmanship, professional installation offers unmatched value. If you're considering a door upgrade, don't leave it to chance. Trust the experts to deliver precision, protection, and peace of mind.